Hello friends, now let's start today's video by analyzing the daily analysis file which we do on daily basis whenever market is open. So today if you see then Nifty or you can say Indian indices were negative, otherwise global indices are positive. So it is again a contradictory picture. Yesterday also we have seen the similar case where the situation was reversed. So I don't know what is happening to Indian market, but it is behaving erratically. Means there is nothing which you can guess by looking at the global indices right now. That's why we do the complete analysis and we don't even follow just like support and resistance of graph. We even do the support and resistance analysis of our OI data, change in OI data, and also we analyze the events and all these things so that we can predict the market in better way. We don't want it to be dependent on one thing only. So if you are interested to see this file, you should go to my Telegram channel and download this file. I post this file daily there so that you can analyze the market and you also can know like how we can make the investment or trade next day. You yourself can make plan based on this file. So if you see the top gainers and losers, well, to my surprise, there was no stock which lose less than negative 3%. And I was surprised, means it clearly indicates that there is not a bearishness in the market if stocks are not moving down, or maybe FIIs aren't selling. But let's see what was the case. Here, no stock moved less than negative 3%. So I'm expecting that there was no bearishness in the market until unless I see the FIIs data, what FIIs are thinking. Now let's see the news. Maybe I'll not be reading all of these columns and tables and news and all these things. I'll be giving you the brief information. If you are interested to see this in details, definitely you should download that file from my Telegram channel and you can read it out and you can make your trade accordingly. And it is the best analysis file if you are going to make a long-term investments, because there I'm mentioning everything, each and every details. Not like I'm telling about like long time, means 2 to 3 years. Even if you are going to invest for next few months, then also you can definitely look out for this file. So if you see the HCL Technologies, well, you see the news. So banking stocks, several banks have shortened their business hours to 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. that we already know. And RBI has allowed commercial banks to pay up to 50% of the dividend they could pre-COVID. So pre-COVID they used to pay some dividend. So SBI has allowed these banks to give you the dividends. Whoever owns this share, they get some dividends per share. So 50% of the pre-COVID level. Well, it is not that much. So it is not a good that much good news. That's what we can expect from this news. If you talk about Tata Motors, Jaguar Land Rovers UK, a subsidiary of Tata Motors, may limit operations at two of its plants, Castle Bromwich and Hollywood manufacturing plants, starting April 26, citing supply chain disruption and semiconductor shortage. So you already know semiconductor shortage is happening, means chip जो रहता है ना मोबाइल में या किसी में डालने का, that is not being manufactured, means demand supply gap is there because of this corona. So prices are high due to this of almost all the products wherever this chip was going to be used. And for the same reason, this Jaguar Land Rover has limited its operation. So again, it is a little bit, you can say, bad or good that we can't expect, because again, if chip is not manufactured, then they will be purchasing these chips on you can say more rate. So higher price they will be paying, then they will be charging same to the customers, but still the demand will be there, supply will be little bit disrupted. But I can't say it is a positive or negative news. We have to market decide it. Let market decide it. Reliance Industries is announcing Stock Park, Britain first country club, from the international group for around 600 crores. IG is owned by the King family. Well, that we have to see what is this news exactly. I can't figure it out by reading it alone. Well, Power Grid Infrastructure Investment Trust may launch its IPO. So maybe it is a subsidiary and they're going to launch some IPO. So let's see how it goes. Wipro is pledged to achieve net zero greenhouse gas emission by 2040. Tata Steel filed a commercial court claim in the UK. Sanjay Gupta led CFG Alliance, which owns Liberty Steel, over alleged missed payment of an acquisition dating back to 2017. I don't know. I can't comment on any of this news whether it is a positive news or good news. Well, a Warburg Pickford affiliate, Baskin Leg Investment, picked up HDFC's 24.4 stake in Good Host Spaces. Okay, so people are acquiring the HDFC stacks. So maybe it is still a good company, even though people have put, you can say RBI have put so many restriction on HDFC. Still, it is a good company. People are buying it. So you can say its value is going to be increased in future. So if you are going to make some investment, definitely this may be the good stock for you. But before making any investment, please do consider to consult with your financial advisor. Dish TV, Z, Torrent Power, EasyTrip. Well, I can't see a big stock here, so I am not discussing it. Well, these are the events which are in upcoming days. So ICICI Bank Limited, because this ICICI Bank Limited and HDFC and these are big companies. So if anything good or bad comes in these events, like audited results or final dividends, then definitely it may go up or down. So you have to keep in mind, and you have to see whenever these events are going to be announced, this stock will take one side direction, and then you can make your investment if you wanted to make. So that should be your call, but still you have to keep in mind that Axis Bank events is also coming, Bajaj Finance Limited events is also coming, Hindustan Zinc Limited is also coming. So there are a lot of companies from Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty whose are going to announce some audited results or dividend. So definitely that may affect Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let's move to the next government event. So here it's just a short form, so I can't see a big events here, but events will become big when the expectations surpass the actual reality. It may be negative, it may be positive. So based on that, people will be reacting. So that we have to see, but still we know, okay, these are the events which are going to be held tomorrow. So we can be prepared in advance. If you are going to make some trade based on the event only, definitely you can look out for the events. Once these events happen, then you can take a trade as per your wish. Bullishness is not there in the market. If you see the OI data, open interest data of Nifty, not much of the bullishness. Even change in OI is also not indicating bullishness. This is the Bank Nifty data. I am not gonna analyze this Bank Nifty data here. That you can analyze by downloading this file again, because I'll be giving you the strategy for Nifty only. I trade basically in Nifty. Here if you see, the trend remains continue. The trend remains the same. FIs are still selling, DIs are buying. You know, today DIs have bought more than what FIs could sell. So that's why market is falling, because DIs are continuously selling. So they have not turned their position. So still I will say ki there is a bearishness in the market. Here I am giving you MF and equity depth data also. So that also, if you are interested, you can see this data. Well, if you see the weekly support and resistance, it is at 14,000 and 15,000. Daily support and resistance means today when market was going down, people lose the hope. So what they did, actually they were making the more position on 13,000. So you can expect how much bearishness was there in the market. And upper side also 15,000. So it is a very, very big range if you see the today's market. It might be the reason volatility has gone high. 2000 point range is there in today's market. So it is a very, very huge range. Now let's draw it on the chart so that we can make some strategy based on this. So this is the today's support and resistance as per change in OI data. So it is at 13,000 and 15,000. A little bit 2 or 3 points here and there I'll draw the line, because I can't draw it very accurately. It's just a waste of time. We should not do that actually. 2 or 3 points is okay. Actually, you should take my word, or at least that file data. Okay, and this is the 14,000 and 15,000 is the weekly range. And if you draw the support and resistance as per the chart, then it is at 14,774 and 14,210. So definitely if bearishness in the market, then definitely Nifty is not going to break this range on upper side. That's what I'm expecting. It might break. It will depend upon like what kind of situation will be there in the future, and if what events turns the market, that we have to see. But basically I'm expecting that Nifty will not be touching 14,770 and it will remain the bearish. So what I can do generally, I can make some strategy which will give us profit if market goes, or you can say closes below 14,750, something like that, till the expiry. So that will give us a good profit. So now let's see. I have made already the strategy, but see, this strategy I'm not going to implement. I have already implemented this strategy. Today I have implemented this strategy, daily days history, and this position I'm carrying from long time. So I'll not comment on the one position. I'm carrying the position which one? This one, Nifty April 15,000 C. So this I'm carrying from long time. So that is my earlier position. And if you see, these positions I have created today. So I might not be implementing the same strategy because I have already opened some positions. But if still you wanted to see what strategy I would be implementing if I was in the market, then definitely this strategy I was going to implement. So the capital requirement would be 32,209, which is very small capital. Even I can apply this strategy. I'll be having some capital left. Definitely I can apply this strategy. But see, if market does gap up or gap down opening, then you have to be cautious and change your strategy accordingly. But my view about the market is bearish. Okay, it might go up still because कुछ भी हो सकता है. So anyway, 2 days holidays are there, so we'll not expect like market to move. I don't know. I cannot say anything, but I'll be getting good theta decay because I already implemented some strategy. So probability of the profit is 80.12%, which is way higher. And see, maximum loss will be occurring is 9,878. If you see this risk to ratio reward, it's not a good strategy. But if you see the probability wise, it is the best strategy you can have because it will give you the protection up to 14,718. So well, this protection is a huge protection. I don't think so that it will move that much higher. And if it closes at this point also, it goes below this point also, then also you will be gaining 1,372, which is 4.26%. In next 4 days, we are going to get 4.26%. It is a good amount of gain. That's what I would say. Even though if market turns against you also, you will not be having like infinite losses because this is the limited loss, limited profit strategy. We have made the position at 14,700 C, and to cover that position, if market goes against us, we have again made one more position at 14,850. So well, we'll be getting this some points from this theta decay, and we'll be implementing this strategy. If I was in the market and I would be having capital, I would be implementing this strategy so that I can be on the safer side. I'll not implement a range bound strategy because VIX is very high, and if markets suddenly or abruptly move up or down, then I'll be having the risk on both the side. I can have risk on the one side but not on the both side. Even though my open position will say ki I have the risk on both the side. If you see the today's strategy, it will give me the risk on both. Risk means limited loss, but the risk is there still, losing some money. Anyway, this is my strategy, and if you're finding this video helpful, then hit the like button and consider subscribing this channel